What's going on, guys? It's the Garage Giant here. Today I'll be working on Ford Explorer ST. I just wanted to create this video here real quick just to show you guys how to replace the engine air filter, intake filter here. It's located on this housing. Let's get into it. This is your intake right here. You got two screws here, a flathead here, and a flathead over there. You might need to unscrew those or loosen those. And then down in here, you can see that clamp right there. There's another one, I believe, back here as well that you need to unclamp and then pull up on the intake here. You should see the filter directly under it. So. Alright, so as you can see, unscrewed this here on this side, on that side as well, just so I can move this up and down to remove that old filter. Pull that up. Old filter that I pulled out. It's disgusting. It was, dirty. You can see the darkness to it. It's supposed to be like a yellow or white color. It's just filthy. This one should have been replaced a long time ago, but looks like it wasn't. Good thing I'm doing this little maintenance here, so this one is really bad. All right. And the new one here, picked this up at the store, the Fram Ultra Air, and the part number is 10242. That's what we're going to be replacing it with here. I'll just go ahead and open this up here. As we can see, this one is a nice white color. A little bit of yellow in there as well, but it's nice and clean. So let's go ahead and put this back in here and install this in the vehicle here in the intake. Hopefully it should run a little bit more smoother. Let's go ahead. This usually is pretty simple. You just unclip the 2 bolts on the side here. You unscrew these just to bring this top piece out of the way so you can work and put the new intake back in there, or remove the old one and so forth. So we're just gonna do everything back in reverse here. Push this back down. All right. Everything in reverse, just push that back down. Let's see here. Make sure we don't break anything. There's some wires over here as well, so just make sure we put this side, get that right side back in first. Make sure everything is nice and secure. Put the 2 clips back on. Make sure we get this aligned first. There we go. Down. 2 clips. Side. Push from the center. Clips right in. Put these 2 right back on here. Make sure everything is nice and secure and connected. Alright, pretty much the only step left is just to go ahead, tighten these back up. Don't get no dust or anything. Make sure everything is flowing through the intake right there, or the filter, I should say. Tighten this back up here. And this is a simple, maintenance that you could do at home. Just go, look up the part number that I mentioned earlier. And then just do it yourself. If you go to a dealership, they're probably gonna charge you around 40 bucks or above just to replace this filter here. Well, you can do this at home on your own. Yeah, I do the majority of the maintenance on my wife's car and my car, especially the simple ones like this, like the oil changes, placing the filter, any type of, you know, simple valve that needs to be replaced or anything like that. I usually just do it myself here. All right, nice and snug. Alrighty, that's how you do it right there. That's how you replace your engine ear filter. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. Just let me know if there's anything else that I could do on this Ford Explorer that you're looking to do on your own or need help with. Whatever it is, just let me know, and I'll try to create some more content to help you guys out. Alrighty.